Disassembling Dnepr engine. I'm doing some highlights in this video. So it's going to be a full engine rebuild. I'm going to change all bearings, all seals, and also going to clean centrifugal, crankshaft, internal oil channels, oil pump. This all should be cleaned. There is a bit of flash between oil pump gear and crankshaft gear. No lash between camshaft and crankshaft. There is a minimal play on all of the tappets. It's within specs. The centrifugal has rubber washer, it has a bolt and two washers. Oil pump gear has a castle nut, washer and a pin. Removing camshaft using a huge screwdriver. It has two bearings. Inspecting it, make sure it's not damaged. Doing some measurements to see how deep all the gears are installed on their shafts. It helps while assembling the engine. Marked clutch plates and flywheel. Again, it helps while assembling. Used the Dremel machine to make some room for impact screwdriver. The flywheel has just a bit of play, very minimal. Looks like there are some traces of oil around this huge plug. I'm not able to remove it, so I'll be cleaning it and put lots of gasket maker around it. An old oil seal, it's pretty loose, it's not holding oil, and I'm going to use a new one which has double lips. Bearing inserts have scratches. It's a good idea to remove oil pump before pulling the front cover. The front cover is out of the case and now I'm pulling it from the crankshaft. Next time I'll remove oil pump before pulling the front cover because it's very easy to damage it. Cleaning the crankshaft and oil pump using brake cleaner. Removed both plugs and additionally cleaned internal oil channels inside the crankshaft. using a blue thread locker for the plugs.